Time is weird. Some days feel endless, some years feel like a glitch. A moment can hit like a lightning and then vanish like a smoke. We think time moves in straight lines, but our mind bends it, stretches it, and cuts and loops it. So what is time? A clock, a feeling, or force? Human time isn't measured in seconds, it's measured in moments. The first time you rode a bicycle, the first person you lost, the first person you loved, these moments become anchors. Memory strings them like beads. Before clocks existed, we understood the time through the patterns, sunrise, shadows, and seasons. But once we invented the machines to measure time, time started measuring us. Deadlines, alarms, birthdays, and anniversaries. Everything become a time stamped. But here's the twist. Psychologically, time isn't stable. Our brain bends time constantly. Bored, a minute feels like a decade. Focused, an hour evaporates. Trauma slows the time. The science of time. Science treats time with cold precision. To physics, time is a dimension, part of the space-time, like height or width. Einstein broke the idea of one universal clock. If you move fast, time slows, and near a strong gravity, time stretches. Inside a black hole's edge, time practically stops. So, two clocks in different places don't tick at the same rate. Now it's not a universe. Your present and someone else's present might not align. Then entropy here enters the chat. The tendency of everything we move from order to disorder. X break, heat spreads, and stars burn. Entropy gives time its arrow forward, but the quantum world doesn't respect these rules. Particles jump around, existing in multiple states until observed. Some theories suggest time might not be the fundamental at all. This is a side effect of relationships between particles, byproduct of information. Others propose a black universe, past, present, and future are all equally real. Nothing flows and nothing moves, everything is. We only experience emotion because the consciousness travels through the block like a scar. Science knows how to measure time down to nanoseconds, but still doesn't know what time actually is. Mystical and practical. Mystics come from the different angle. They say time is a story that the mind tells to make change of sense of change. Not fake, just incomplete. Meditation slows the subjective time because the brain stops bouncing around. With the less mental noise, the present moment becomes a thick, almost spacious. Some traditions say the real world is not a moving stream of moments, but the stillness underneath. Time becomes a surface phenomenon like ripples on the water underneath awareness doesn't move. This isn't about escaping life, it's about noticing it. When you are fully present, the world sharpens, color look richer, and sounds feel warmer. Every action becomes clean and intentional. Mystical time teaches one thing. If you're always racing, you miss your own life. So, to be the conclusion. So, what is time? A dimension, a psychological illusion, a cosmic breadcrumb trail of the entropy, or a lens through which consciousness moves. Maybe all of it. Time rules everything. Your experience of it is flexible, personal, and alive.